Hi, I'm Chris with Bulmann Dock Lift. Today we're going to talk about our 1351 PWC lift. It gets its name from the 1,300 pound capacity that it can handle, as well as the 51 inches wide between these guideposts right here, basically meaning it can accommodate a beam of a watercraft up to 51 inches. This is a newer generation lift. In the past, we had always built them at 48 inches. However, we wanted to offer a wider lift to accommodate these newer watercraft. A few things that separate our lift from the rest of the competitors. Grip channel, this frame spreader attachment material right here, this custom extrusion. The teeth end up biting into the frame. They prevent it from loosening up over time. PVC guideposts are standard. There's one on each corner. This helps protect the watercraft as you're driving in, keep it centered in the lift. We also offer an optional bow stop, which helps position the watercraft forward and back on the lift. This is really critical on a lift that pivots, because if the watercraft is too far forward, when you're cranking the lift up, the lift will want to tip forward. This helps consistent placement and also making sure that the weight is evenly distributed amongst the front lifting beam and the back lifting beam. The lift has an overall aluminum construction made out of 2 welded side frames. All of the hardware is either stainless steel, silicon bronze, or aluminum. All of these materials are non-corrosive, so you do not have to worry about the lift rusting over time. Welded side frames along with the premium construction result in a rock-solid lift that will protect your investment for years to come. There are 2 set screws, 3/8 set screws on each corner of the lift to help you accommodate different water depths as well as different elevation changes in the lake bottom. The inner leg is 28 inches long, which gives you 24 inches of adjustment. With these set screws, you're not actually fishing for a hole. This will allow for infinite adjustment within the 24 inches that is provided. In certain circumstances where you're in a deeper water depth, we can actually swap out the entire inner leg to a longer leg that will accommodate 6.5 or 8.5 feet of water. In certain situations where the bottom may be soft, we actually offer a much larger mud foot pad that helps distribute the weight and prevent the lift from settling. We also offer a canopy as an additional accessory. There are 4 canopy upright holes covered up by this gray cap. You'll drop your canopy uprights in, and then the canopy is actually 12 feet long to cover most watercrafts on the market today. It's a pretty straightforward lift with a manual operation. However, different dealerships can actually remove the wheel and put on an electronic motor if that is something that you're interested in. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your local dealer or email sales@bulmanndock.com. Thanks again.